need to know to use it in writing as well as speaking. First of all, it can be used as you can show your ability to do something. Like I would like to say I can perform well in my presentation, and the other way to get permission and to allow someone. Like can I go outside the classroom? And third one, if you want to get some request from someone, you can also use it. Like can you give me your pen for some time? And you can also use it as a possibility to future. Like eating too much can disturb your stomach, as well offering help. You can use also it. Can I help you in this regard? Otherwise, in other way, in what scenario you want to help someone? Like can I help you to find out the right way? And like you can also use it to describe opportunity. Like I would like to say you can apply for this post because it is better. And the last one is that you can use it for prescription and to show someone it's beyond your limit. Like you cannot walk on water as a human being.
All right, this is all fantastic and very well summarized. So keep it up like this. क्या हाथ बांध के ना खड़े हुआ करें. अभी शादी नहीं हुई आपकी. ठीक है? This is for later, but the handout is very good. I really appreciate that. Thank you.